Jinan Jinshengxing Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We have 21 years industry experience since 2003. At present, there are many agents and warehouses in Europe, Middle Asian and Southeast Asian countries. With brand of Superstar CNC, we register our new company in Bangkok, Thailand, build sales departments in Vietnam, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Pakistan. Superstar CNC main products including wood engraving CNC, ATC CNC Router, panel saw, wood drilling CNC, edge banding machine and other panel furniture making machine, stone engraving machine, stone cutting CNC, foam engraving machine, hot wire foam cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, CO2 laser machine, oscillating knife cutting machine, advertising CNC machines, metal letters making machine, acrylic letters making machine, glass cutting machine. All our machines have passed CE certificates. At the same time, we have a strong product development capability and design department for clients' special requirements, so we can accept the OEM and ODM according to your requirements. As a professional CNC supplier, we have an excellent team focus on product development. There are more than 500 workers, 50 sellers, and 30 people for after-sales service. We supply 24 hours free service online. About the local after-service, we can arrange our department persons to give you service in time. Welcome more cooperators in the near future. Superstar CNC is your trustworthy supplier. We are looking for agents for a long time. Thank you.